Hello everyone, it's Sweety here, and today's video is a review of the design team kit I recently received from Craftyscrappers. Craftyscrappers is an Indian brand launched in 2013, and since then it has been manufacturing a lot of craft supplies right here in India. Let's start with the stamp set I received. This one is called You're So Cool, and this is from their June release. It has cute images such as these ice creams, which can be used to make backgrounds, and of course it's a fun summer stamp set. Next, I have this really pretty card handmade by Craftyscrappers owner Konica. She is such a kind-hearted soul. Her coloring is simply gorgeous. The paper she used has a butter-like finish, and it's from this premium cardstock. It is double-coated matte finish, therefore it has a smooth surface, and it's great for blending and flower making. I also got the 8x8 mix pack of cardstock. It's acid free. That means it's not going to become yellowish with time. I have this badge of creative designer. Honestly, it's not less than an award. Next, I have this mirror stamp. Now you can, for example, create a mirror image for this girl and make a friendship card for your girlfriend. This is a very versatile stamp set, and in my later videos you'll see me using them. Here are two stencils. These are 6.5 by 6.5 inch. I can totally imagine how pretty layering would look with these three images in sequence. And here's a very versatile stencil. You can create all 4 seasons using this one stencil on your card or project. Craftyscrappers has over 12 single color foils, 3 designer foils, and this set has 12 different colored foils in one set. So these can add so much elegance to your card, and they will last a long time. Okay, let's move on to our next items. Here I have got 4 chalk paints and 8 shimmer sprays. Both are available in a total of 16 colors each. All of these colors have such fun names. These chalk paints are matte finish and ideal for mixed media projects and home decor. They can be used on a variety of surface. Imagine painting an old wine bottle with one of these colors to make a modern home decor piece. I think creamy banana is my favorite color amongst these. Okay, so now let's have a look at the 8 shimmer sprays that I received. These shimmer sprays are dye based, so the colors are vibrant and bright. 16 colors means there is a whole spectrum of colors to choose from. The bottle and the spray pump come separately. The ideal way to store these is to remove the spray pump and put the lid back on the bottles. This will avoid clogging of all the shimmer in the pump. But I believe I'll use up all of these pretty quickly, so I'm leaving them with the pump on. I already experimented a bit with these shimmer sprays, and here's how I got a rust-like effect with just 2 colors of shimmer sprays. I used spicy walnut and sweet pumpkin. These are brown and orange colors in a way, and I just want to show you how shiny this is. This gives a very subtle shine, but it's really pretty in real life. Anyways, this TT kit came loaded with a lot of supplies, plus this huge candy, for which Konica deserves a special thanks. This is a set of embellishments. It has some flowers, a set of pearls, and stone embellishments, and there are 2 sets of pollens, which will give handmade flowers a very realistic look, and they can also be used to add dimension and extra element to any mixed media project. Moving on, we have 6 boxes of beautiful shaker elements. 3 of these are dimensional flowers. They have this iridescent shine and it makes them so beautiful. I have these in 3 colors: green, pink and purple. The green one is called fern flowers, and the pink and purple are called orchid flowers. These boxes make it so easy to store and organize these small little essential elements. Both the flowers and the sequin mix will make great fun elements for shaker cards. The shaker mix is amazing because it has so many things in it: seed beads, pearls, stars, checkered sequins, and whatnot. So you don't need to go on and create your own mix while making a shaker card. It's already pre-done for you. Pink one is called prom dress and the maroon one is called festive poppies. Don't you think the colors will be perfect for vintage cards or for Christmas cards? I think this one is my favorite. But really all the colors are just amazing. These purple ones are called Blackberry Bliss and I've not opened them yet. Now we have the latest product launched by Craftyscrappers. These are shimmer paints and they come in two types: pearl based and gold touch. Gold touch makes it look more metallic, and let's have a look at how the copper one works. There are 16 shades of pearl and 8 shades of gold touch paints available on Craftyscrappers. These are water based paints and they will dry permanent. I think they will be so useful in creating metallic papers and metallic shine of a different color on various embellishments. The pearl shades are bright and summery. They go so well with embellishments of similar color, such as the shaker mixes. The pinks and purples, they will go so well together, for example. Finally, let's have a look at my favorite products. These are shimmer pastes. Again, 16 shades are available for these. I have it in lilac, envy and salmon. I couldn't find my palette knife, so I'm using this scrap cardboard to scrape some of the shimmer paste on this matte cardstock I showed earlier. The 3 colors you see here have a subtle shine to them, but they dry with dimension. The containers look small, but they really are. You really need a small quantity to make your project. So this will last for a good number of projects. This is dry once permanent. So if you spray water on it once it's dry, there's no fear of colors draining out. This quality makes it a must-have for making home decor or mixed media projects. Besides these 3 colors that I got in my kit, I already own the gold shimmer paste. Let me show you how beautiful this particular color is. Gold adds an elegance to any project. So you can use it through stencils, you can use it directly on your project, you can use it to create shine on your mixed media art decor. It has a lot of possibilities. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please subscribe to this channel and check out Craftyscrappers website for these awesome goodies and participate in this month's challenge. To know more, visit their blog. Thanks for watching.